Hi, it's Becky, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you a nice chilled summer pamper routine. It's so nice to take the time out to just recharge, reset your batteries and really take care of yourself. With the hot weather, it is really important to stay hydrated. So the first thing I'm doing is making some infused water. I'm infusing the water with ginger and lemon. There are so many great benefits to this. It helps with your immune system, your digestive system, your skin and your hair, and it is just a great way to keep hydrated during a pamper evening. To peel ginger, you just use the back of a teaspoon, which I never knew until a couple of weeks ago, and it is so much easier than trying to peel it any other way. I then just cut some slices of lemon, and I find it much easier to use a bread knife when doing this because it goes through the skin much easier. I then just put the lemon and ginger into some cold tap water in a jug. Grab some ice cubes, put those in as well. And give it a stir to make sure that it is all infused. And then I just pop it in the fridge to make sure it's nice and cold and ready for me when I want it. I then just jump into the shower. I'd normally have a bath on a pamper night, but when it is a hot summer day, it just does not feel right. The first thing I do is just wash my hair with the Sheer Moisture weightless shampoo, and I am just going to leave my hair to dry naturally, so if you did want the full routine, that is up on my channel. I'm then just going to lightly towel dry my hair just to get off the excess water, ready for the mask to go on. Once my hair is lightly towel dried, I then am going to take the mask that I'm using, which is the Sheer Moisture 10-in-1 multi-benefit mask, and I'm just going to take a bit of that onto my hand and run it through my hair, mainly concentrating on the ends. And when I've done that, I'm just going to wrap my hair on top of my head and then get back in the shower to finish washing my body. The first thing I'm going to use is the Rituals Happy Buddha Foaming Shower Wash, and it foams up so nice and is just really moisturising on your skin. Next, I'm going to take the Cocoa Butter Sugar Scrub and an exfoliating mitt, and I just take some of that out and use that to scrub my whole body, paying special attention to my elbows and my knees. Then I'm just going to shave, so I just use any shaving gel and just a Venus razor and just shave my legs. There is no better feeling than freshly exfoliated shaved legs. My hair mask has now been in for enough time, so it is fine to then wash that off. I then just jump out of the shower and lightly towel dry my hair and put it up into this towel. If you haven't got one of these towels, I would highly recommend getting one. They are really useful. And for a summer pamper night, I really like to focus on rehydration. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this Body Shop oil and pop that all over my skin. It's a really nice oil because it doesn't go too oily and it isn't sticky either, so it only takes a few minutes to kind of sink into your skin. So I'm then just going to pop on my pyjamas that I already had laid out, and then after putting on my pyjamas I then finish up by adding more moisture by using the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant, and again I just put this all over my body. So I'm now ready to moisturise my body from the inside with my infused water, and it's nice and cold where it's been sat in the fridge. And this is honestly so tasty and so beneficial for you. I'm then just going to prep a facial steam. So I am boiling my kettle and I'm using this botanical facial steam, sort of dried flowers. You just take a couple pinches of this and pop it into a glass bowl, and then just pour the boiling water over the top. And you do just pop a cloth over top of it for a minute just to let it cool down slightly before steaming your face. You can also use fresh herbs or a tea bag or even just plain water. I like to cleanse before I steam my face. Some people do it the other way around, but I prefer to cleanse first. So I just cleanse using my Glam Glow cleanser, and I just use an exfoliating pad and a scrub as well, just to make sure that my skin is fully cleansed. I then go to my bowl of steaming water and put my face just over the bowl. To maximise the effect, it is best to put a towel over your head and make yourself a little tent so that the steam can really get into your pores. And I stayed like that for about 10 minutes. I just had some music playing on my phone. And then when you're done, obviously you just come out of the tent, and you can't really see, but my face was dripping at this point. But it's just so good to get all of those toxins out of your face. And after being under that tent of steam, it is really important to rehydrate again. So just having a bit more of my water. Now that my pores are open, I'm going to apply a face mask. So I'm using this one from LMS. It's the Superfood Berry Boost Mask. I'm just popping a layer of that all over my face. The mask has to be on for 10 minutes, so I think this is a really good time to just sit and do a meditation. So I use the Headspace app, which you can actually get free if you are furloughed or unemployed during COVID, which I think is incredible. So then I just go through and find the meditation that I want to do. And what I really like about this app is you can choose how long the meditation will last for. So I've just gone for 10 minutes because that's how long I need to leave the face mask on. I'm then about to look absolutely crazy because I have these little cucumber slices to go over my eyes. I can't actually remember where I got them from, but if you put these in the fridge, they are so refreshing and feel so nice. So I am just going to sit there and finish doing my meditation. And then after my meditation, I'm feeling lovely and chilled. And again, it's important to keep drinking that water. I'm then just going to wash off the mask, and a tip is to use a darker flannel with this mask because it will stain otherwise. And then I'm just going to take a cotton pad and some micellar water and just rub that all over my face to make sure I've got every last bit off. And then I'm just going to take the Queen of Hungary mist and spray that all over my face. Then I'm just going to take the Botanics Overnight Facial Oil and pop about 3 to 4 drops on my face. And then I'm just going to take my jade roller to really help get the oil into my skin. And I leave this in the fridge, which really helps and makes it so nice and refreshing. And I just use this big one on sort of like the big areas of my face, and then I've got a little one for around my nose. Then I'm just going to take the Vitamin E Nourishing Eye Cream and pop that under my eyes using my ring finger. And I always use my ring finger because this finger has the least amount of pressure, which is what you want for the sensitive under eye area. And next I'm going to use this Blemish Control Serum, and as you can see I have got quite a few blemishes at the moment. my skin has been really playing up with my new medication. So I've got that gigantic one there, which I'm just going to pop the serum on, and hopefully this should work its magic. And then finally, to make sure my face is fully moisturised, I'm using this vitamin E night cream, and I just pop this all over my face and neck, and I just avoid the area that I've just put the blemish cream on. Next, I'm just going to take my hair out of the towel and then just give it a good brush through. I then take the same oil that I used on my body earlier and just pop that on the ends of my hair, just to give it that little bit of extra care and attention. I then go and choose what nail polish I want to use, and I really need to sort out this cupboard because I have far too many nail polishes, but I just get all the bits that I need to do my fingers and my toes. I then pop everything on a little tray so it's much easier for me to do my nails. So I do the exact same thing to both my fingers and my toes. It's just on my feet I use the Magnatone Pedi Roller, and I just do this in the bathroom because no one wants dead skin all over their bed. Before I fully settle down, I just make sure that my room is feeling nice and cosy, so I light a couple of candles. I then get in bed ready to paint my nails, and I just find something to watch on Netflix or Disney Plus, just something really easy that I don't really need to concentrate on. I then just sit in bed and do my nails. I just find this much more comfortable. So I just remove any old nail polish that I might have on there, and then cut my nails down if they need it. Give them a little file. And then pop on some cuticle oil. Push back my cuticles. And then chop away any of the excess before just painting my nails and then applying a top coat. Then my nails are all done and I just settle down for the rest of the evening. So I shut out my curtains because it's still light even though it's quite late. I say late, it's like 9 o'clock. And we've got a little visitor. And that is me done. So for the rest of the evening I just rested in bed, and this just made me feel so much better. I'd been feeling really sluggish and sort of gross recently, so this was just the sort of evening I needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!